What's up, guys? My name is Austin, and today we'll be messing with the first gen. We're going to be messing with the hood latch. Got a brand new one here. The other one's coming apart. Someone put a bolt and a screw through it so it always unlatches and the hood flies open. Not really all the way, but it catches the latch, the secondary latch. And we'll be doing a new hood cable, both from LMC truck. They were pretty cheap. This was 20 bucks and this was like 30 bucks. So we'll be putting it in the truck and knocking it out. Let's get after it. Alrighty, guys, so you can see where the cable is a bit stretched here and it's not fully unlatching, so when I pull inside it's just pulling the cable straight out. So I've got 2 bolts here on this side. Was a 7/16 on my truck, unless you got someone else's bolts in there. So we'll get these popped out real quick. It's super easy. Sometimes these do need to be aligned back. I obviously did not align it, but we'll give it a shot. I think I got it done for the most part. Sometimes you can align it just based on the old wear marks that were on both sides. So that's what I'm just basing it off of on right now with mine. Alright, so we got that done. Make sure you guys have them tight because you do not want it coming off. So we'll try and pop. Actually, I don't even have to pop this off because this comes out with the old line. So that's already done. So now we have to go ahead and backfeed it through the cab, get the new cable routed through, and that should be it for that. And then we'll hook it up and we'll make sure that it aligns with the upper hood latch. Way up there. We'll make sure everything lines up, and then I'll have to adjust it maybe just a little bit left and right, you know. But other than that, it's really not that hard. Alright, so I already went ahead and just cut the cable. Like I said, it's useless. And you can see how brittle it is. It's already coming apart on this side. We have to feed the cable through. So we'll pull it through the cab and get her out. Alright, so this is where your obviously your hood cable is. You got 4 Phillips screws on there. Then obviously there's your little grommet. Oh, my light's a little too bright. There's your grommet way up there on the firewall. There it is. So you're gonna pull it inside into the inside of the cab. We'll get those off. And super easy, like I said, guys. There she is. She's out. Let me get the new cable. Feed it right back through the hole. Right into the firewall. There's really no alignment for this. It's just literally the 4 screws. You don't have to overkill it with the bolts. Everything's all plastic. Alright, let's get the grommet pushed through. Alright, grommet's all popped in there. That was actually the hardest part out of all this. Alright, so just grab our new cable. I'm going to route it whatever which way you want to route it. I'm going to go over yonder. There we go. We already got it right back here. So we'll latch it first on the back side. Like this, so. There you go. Back side there. And I'll pop it in this piece here. Nice. So I'm gonna go inside the truck. Y'all can let me know if it works, because I can't tell. Nice. So they got that all done. So let's actually let's try it out with the hood. See what we can get. Let's see what happens for alignments. I don't have to align it at all. Let me get my under hood light. That ain't hard. All right, looks like we got it figured out. I had to bend this. I don't know why I really had to with a brand new item. So I had to bend it towards us to be able to bring the pivot inwards at the bottom because it was catching on the side. So that's really weird. But go ahead and try this. Seems like it's on there now. Seems fully closed. That's even with me pushing from the inside up and out. Ooh. Yeah, it's on there. That's on there. Everything works. It's just an old truck. I guess I gotta do a little more alignments with some other stuff. But other than that, that was a pretty quick, simple exchange for any of you guys that want to do a hood latch with the cable. 2 bolts. Make sure you got it all aligned. Mine's aligned and stuff, but it seems like everything up in that hood is the part that needs to be aligned. It's not really worked since I've bought it, so it's always been open, so I never really got to see what it looked like beforehand when it would close and stuff. You guys got to see the cable on the inside. Hopefully you guys enjoy and get to see more of my videos with other little piddly stuff that I do in the Dodge, and hopefully it helps you guys out along the way. Thank you. Peace.